Hello and welcome everybody. This is my code for the quiz application that was for the task for my assessment 3 for the subject of user interface and design. I am Ansh Patel. My student ID is 22120644 and I have made this quiz application. This quiz application is the application that contains few features such as like it can do the quiz obviously, then it can contain the features, it contains the features such as the question on one page, like one question per page. Moreover, it contains the information of mostly the questions are selected from the background of computer science and information technology. And moreover, I have added four features too for this quiz application that are additional from my side, that were not mentioned in the uh, task overview. And this is the application. Let me first show you the preview of the application, then I will go through the code. Yeah. So here is my quiz application. This contains the first login page, or maybe the starting page, we can say. It contains of the logo for my application. Then it contains the difficulty level, which can be selected. Like easy has 45 seconds, medium has 30 seconds, and hard has 20 seconds. Moreover, if I select the easy variant and click on start quiz, I will able to start quiz. And the quiz contains of 7 questions as I mentioned. And here is a timer under which I have to complete this question. So first question is for the programming language that contains of data science and machine learning. We all know it's Python and we can move forward. Moreover, the second question is for quiz and for creating function. We can use def to create function. Uh, Random access memory. Then 2 to the power 3 is 8. Python symbol for command is hash. And CPU stand for central processing unit. I will answer this one as wrong so that we can check our wrong workings too. So I know the answer is tech, but I'm gonna give it Q. So this shows me, this is my results page. This shows me that quiz is completed. I got 6 out of 7, which is 86%. I got an excellent score. The difficulty level was easy. The correct answers are 6, wrong answer is 1, and average time per question is 7.5 seconds. So this statistics things is the new one. I have added a score level. This shows me the wrong answer and I will be able to try the quiz again if I want to by clicking this, and if I click exit then it will exit the quiz. So these were the quiz. I will show you the additional features now. The additional feature is this thing, the difficulty level, the time zone of this. Then all the questions are random in order. You can see this RAM access was maybe fifth or sixth question on the last quiz, but for this quiz it is the second question. And we can see that there are 16 seconds left. And if I click on next, these all the questions will be skipped, and if I finish the quiz it will show me the result. As I haven't read any answer as right, so all of them are wrong. And now I will show you the exit functionality, so it will exit. Yeah, so overall this was the preview of my application. For now, I will show you the code working. So this is my constructor for the quiz application, in which I have set the frame for 400 to 700 and made the title, give the background color. This is the color scheme for me. Like it contains primary color, secondary success color, warning color, danger color, light, text, and all. Here are the questions that I have selected for the quiz. Moreover, I have added this function as random shuffle self questions. This take us to the like function where all the questions are shuffled from the for each page. Like for each time the user attempt, the questions will be shuffled, and user will not be able to like go for the same answers for the same questions in the order. Then these are the quiz state variables. Additional feature number 2 that I have added is the timer. The timer on the top of each questions. Here is the code for that. Here is the score tracking that tracks my score and sets me to the last page. That's the result page. And here is the difficulty level. I have preset it by medium, but if the user change it, it will change from here to the whichever level the user selects. And from here, I am starting to show the screen. I have created the rounded buttons. This is the code for the buttons of start, try again, exit, all of those which are rounded corners. So this is the code for that. And after that, I have showed the screen code, which is like uh, all the uh, all the start screen, the main screen is shown from here. From here, when I have made the show screen which contains my logo code. Here is the logo code, the title, the middle space. Here is the code for the additional feature like the difficulty level selection code. Here is that code. And after completing this, these get the start button code. This is the start button code on which I have clicked to start the quiz. Moreover, this has the footer and all. After that, I have the code for the difficulty level, that if what happens when a user click on the difficulty level of easy, it is like 45 seconds timer is given to him or her. Then if the level is medium, then it will be 30. And if the limit is not selected from both of them, then it will be hard by obvious, and it will be 20 seconds by for an question to be answered. This is the code to show the questions, like for the uh, I can say the question per page. This is the code which brings us to the per question per page. And we can also see the progress indicator on the page, that is here, the progress bar, the timer, which is the additional functionality by me here. And we can see the options which changes color of the background when selected. This is the code for that one. And here was the code for the questions. Then I have a code for updating the timer. So each time when a user clicks on the another question, the timer needs to be updated. So here is the code for that. And here is the final code for submitting the answer, that for the current page, if I want to submit the answer, so this is the code that will be that I will be able to use to submit the current page answer. Then I have the show score. The show score is a function that I have created to show the score of the all the pages at the end. And it is a scrollable page, so I can scroll through all those answers and get my answers completed. And at last, I have on the results page, I got one try again button that is used to restart the page. So I have restart the quiz, sorry. So I have the code for that one. And here is the execution for the main application from like, we can start our application from here. So all in all, this was all from my side. And this was the code for the assessment 3. Here was the walkthrough video, and maybe I have completed all those. Thank you so much.